So next up, guys, got a really nice day cab truck here. So this is a 2016 Mack Pinnacle CXU613. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but very clean, nice looking truck. Obviously, it's got the headache rack, wet kit, sliding fifth wheel, air ride suspension, 355,000 miles or so, about 12,000 hours. It would have the Mack MP8 diesel motor. It's got a Mack M drive, kind of automated, automatic style transmission there, guys. I think it's 175 gallon fuel capacity. It's got the little toolbox on the side of the headache rack as well. Just a really nice looking truck, seems to run well. So I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. And guys, this would be a truck coming in from a rental company. Nice thing about that is it's been fleet maintained. You know that the service and maintenance has been done when it's needed. I think it might be coming up on due for another service. Interior's good and clean. You got a nice air ride driver's seat, radio, power windows, power locks, kind of all those things. Sold quite a few of these trucks for this rental company, and guys have had really good luck with them. Forward reverse, guys, drives around well. So there's the little demo, 2016 Mack Pinnacle CXU613 day cab. Go, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.